Hi guys, welcome to, I think it's day 4 of the Beauty of Christmas series. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing one eyeshadow palette with 2 different makeup looks. So I actually did use another palette just because in this palette there's no black shade. So I went into this shade just for one color. So the link to the Beauty of Christmas series will be in the description and in the cards above. So if you want to see how I create these 2 looks, then keep on watching. So this foundation might be actually too light for my skin, but I might get another one that's good for my skin tone. So we are going to start using the Beauty Game Changer eyeshadow palette from Makeup Obsession. And we're actually going to start by priming our eyes first. So I'm just going to use my finger to prime my eyes. First color we're going to take is Metal on the palette, and I'm just going to use an Echo Tools brush. I think this one, the name right off, so I don't actually remember. I'm just going to pat it on my eyelid and kind of bring it into the crease. Then I'm going to take my blending brush, this is from Sephora, and I'm just going to blend the color out in the, on the edges. Okay, so I just did my eyeliner. It takes me a long time to do eyeliner, so I just wanted to do that off camera. So now I'm actually going to do my lashes. So like I always do, I'm going to curl my lashes first off camera, and then I will come back and I will put on some mascara. I think I'm going to do this one this time, or maybe both. So we are on the second coat of mascara, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes mascara. So we're going to go back into this palette, and we're going to take Swerve. Focus. It's not focusing. Focus. There we go. Swerve. And just put that and then I like to use my finger. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Mauve. And I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. Okay, so for lip gloss today, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color I have no idea because it's ripped off. But, or I think it says it on the back. Creme Brulee, it's called. And then for the second makeup look, I'm actually going to do a different shade of lip gloss. Oh wait. Okay, so for the second makeup look, it's more of like a evening type. This one is just like a kind of like an everyday type look. So we're actually just going to add one color, or actually two colors. So you see, we're going to use this palette, the same palette that we used before, and then the Rimmel Magnifying Nudes palette. So I'm first going to go back into this palette. So we're going to first use the color Coach, I think it's called? Yeah, Coach, in the crease. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I'm going to put that color right in the crease, just to deepen it up. I'm going to take a pointed eyeliner brush, like this one. I'm going to take the black shade in the Rimmel palette and just go into the crease. For a different color lip, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in color Spicy. This is probably one of my favorites from the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. Liquid lipsticks. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!